Here's the card project we're going to do today. This one is made from the Hero Arts July 2019 kit. And it's Lake Time Fun add-on. And so here I'm just showing the main kit and its add-on that were used. Okay, I've cut out the foreground trees in some green cardstock that I had. And to cut out the background trees, I am going to use one of my Copic markers. I'm going to use G05. Okay, and I have some craft cardstock, which I will put the little mountain . Okay, and next I'll take the cocoa inks that came with the kit and just kind of blend it onto the top of the mountain. And some of the forest green, also from the kit. And I will put that on top of the trees that I cut out of the green cardstock. And then the lime green, I will color in the layer that I had colored with the Copic. Okay, and next I'm going to stamp the dock. So I will start by stamping the bottom part of the stamp. And I'm going to use my stamping platform for this. And then I'll use the sandstone that came with the kit. And for the second layer of the stamp, I'll use the cocoa ink that came with the kit. Okay, and next I'll take the die . Okay, next I'm going to take one of my Lawn Fawn dies. This is the small stitched rectangle set, and this is the largest die from that set. And so I will cut this out of some light blue cardstock. Okay, I'm going to use some thin foam tape and put it on the back of the front trees. Shall put that on like that. And from the Lake Time Fun add-on kit for the July 2019, I'm going to stamp and color and cut out this small stamp here. Okay, and I'll use a couple of Copic markers, YR21 and YR23, to color the sail. Okay, and next I'll use the water ripples in the regular kit, the smaller water ripples. And I'll use the dusty blue from the kit. Okay, and from the add-on kit, take the little silhouette from the little fisher boy. And I want this to be very dark, so I'm going to use some VersaFine. And now I'll run the die-cut boy through my Xyron sticker maker. And I'll use a sentiment from the add-on kit. And I'll stamp the grass from the main kit. Okay, and I'm going to color these stamps with a couple of water-based markers. So I'll color the bottom green, and the top a sepia color. And now I'll glue them in next to the dock. And now I'll glue the panel onto an A2 size black cardstock. And I don't really like this sailboat. I cut it with too thin of paper, so I'm going to redo this on some thicker cardstock. Okay, so I put the thicker cardstock on there, and I like that much better. And so here's the card, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!